Kim Kardashian has increased her security again after ex-husband Kanye West's social media rants. Friends of the reality star claim she's been left scared and broken after the rapper threatened her boyfriend Pete Davidson and said he'd get her hooked on drugs. 2. Kim Kardashian has increased security after ex-husband Kanye West's online rantsCredit, Getty. 2. Friends of Kim have said that she's scared and jumpy'Credit, splash. Kanye has crossed a line. If things carry on like this, there is absolutely no chance whatsoever of her now having any sort of amicable co-parenting relationship with him going forward, claims the friend. She's really worried. Yes, crossed a line. It's not what Hess said about her. That's just really laughable. Kim doesn't even drink, never mind how ridiculous it would be to hooked on drugs. But this is so exhausting for her, and she's totally broken by it. She's scared and is so jumpy. She is really on her guard and making sure she has security right now, and has asked Pete to also take precautions. Kanye, who changed his name to Ye earlier this year, has accused Kim of not allowing him to see their 4 children. Yesterday, The Sun revealed how Kanye wants full custody of North, St. Chicago and some, despite insiders backing Kim as a devoted mother. She is at her wit's end with all of this, and is reaching out for intervention. In times of trouble she always turns to his pastor, Adam Tyson, who is connected to his Sunday service, to get involved. As a religious man, who seems to be the only one who can sometimes get through to him. She's also asked other friends, Kylie's boyfriend Travis Scott, and one of Kanye's team, to straighten him up and let him know that what Hess doing right now is not okay. Kim's rep has been contacted for comment. After Kim moved on with Saturday Night Live star Pete in late 2021, Kanye has done everything from calling the comedian a dickhead, to threatening to beat his ass, and accusing him of attempting to destroy his family. Kanye even kidnapped and beheaded Pete in the animated music video of his song Easy, a project which he has defended despite wide criticism. Just this week Kanye was banned from Instagram for at least 24 hours for lashing out at Trevor Noah with a racial slur. The spat seems to have started when Noah, 38, used a segment on his show to look at Kanye's treatment of Kim. The temporary ban came after a marathon of threats towards his ex and Pete. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.